Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set auto dark mode on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Dark mode, especially in low light conditions, can reduce eye strain for many users. The contrast between text and background is less intense in dark mode, making it easier on the eyes. Well, and then here are the steps to set auto dark mode on this device. Okay. Firstly, open Please Settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can open the display option. After that, select dark mode setting. Okay, and then you can turn on a schedule here. After that, you can choose one of the following two options. First, you can activate it according to the sunrise and sunset time. And then for the second option, you can activate it according to the time you want. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to set auto dark mode on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.